Hiya, Nigel Moore here with a quick bit of Tech Tribe news. We recently engaged the lovely and amazing Jennifer Bleem, who loves all things cybersecurity and sales, to create an amazing workshop for our Tech Tribe members, and we've just recently uploaded it inside the Tribal portal. If you are a Tech Tribe member, you will find it in the courses section. You can click this button here, the Cybersecurity Sales Primer, and you will be taken to this page here where you can go through the entire workshop. You can get through it in about 90 minutes, and it's got some worksheets and a bunch of things around discovery questions and the sales process and selling cybersecurity to existing clients as well as new clients. Our lovely loved one of objection handling. Everybody loves a good little bit of objection handling in here. Some mistakes to avoid, whether you should bundle or not bundle, etc., etc. So this is available right now for anybody inside the Tech Tribe, and we don't charge any extra for it. I know Jennifer could easily charge $1,000 externally for this thing, but we paid her to go and license it to go and create it just for Tech Tribe members, and she's done an amazing job. And at the very end, you get this shiny little certificate here to say that you completed it if you're into certificates and all that jazz. But go and grab it. It's inside there. We don't charge any extra, as I said, and it will help arm you a little bit, hopefully a little bit better in positioning and selling cybersecurity out to your existing clients and new clients. So go and grab it today. Enjoy. Bye for now.